Extreme Online Store and Custom Interior made this carbon fiber steering wheel for the 6th gen Camaro. Let's install it. What do you think of it?
Whoa, dude.
Just 3 plugs. You gotta take out this one right here. These, the orange ones, you push up.
Once you take off the airbag, it's gonna expose the T50.
You brought in the big guns, boys.
You gotta disconnect it from up here. Hey, isn't this like the gift wrap paper? So now just start connecting all of the plugs back into the units.
Yeah, man, it looks beautiful. It feels nice in hand. It's just a little bit thicker than the stock one. Also, on the top, you have these finger grooves, which I actually like that a lot. So red to red, purple to purple.